Hello children, you all are fine at home in COVID-19. Children, today I am explain about articles and he sees. Which whenever we use articles and when we use he and she. So children, this topic is our articles a and the and he she, and which subject it is our English, and which one? Senior KG. Okay, it's a related course for senior KG SVS. Before articles, let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 29 October 2020. And which day today? Today Thursday. How is weather outside? Weather cold. And which season going on? Winter season. Children, you know what is the meaning of articles? You know what is the meaning of articles? Articles, that means particular कोई भी thing, I mean कोई भी थिंग होता है जो उसके आगे आपको पता है कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में 5 वॉवेल्स होते हैं. तो वॉवेल से स्टार्टेड जितने भी स्पेलिंग्स होते हैं पर्टिकुलर, उसके आगे हम केवल ए और ए एन लगाते हैं. तो जहाँ हम वॉवेल्स, वेन एवर वी यूज वॉवेल्स स्टार्टेड फॉर द स्पेलिंग, दैट टाइम वी यूज ए एन and not at a spelling started from vowels, so we use a. Okay, and when we use the is a particular universal one thing के लिए ही use होता है. Why? Because the एक I mean जैसे कि मून एक particular है, उसका दूसरा कोई पार्ट नहीं है. मून एक ही होता है, उसके लिए हम द यूज़ होते हैं. पर्टिकुलर कोई भी चीज़ एक ही होती है. अंडरस्टैंड? स्काई, दैट मीन्स स्काई एक ही है, दूसरा आसमान नहीं हो सकता, एक ही होगा. ठीक है. स्टार्स एक ही होते हैं, बार मतलब आपको डिफरेंट टाइप के स्टार्स नहीं मिलेगा, उसका एक ही स्टार होता है. आई मीन स्टार बहुत सारे होते हैं, लेकिन पर्टिकुलर वन थिंग, दैट मीन्स वी यूज द. ओके, एंड देन वी यूज सन ऑल्सो. पूरे यूनिवर्सल में आपको एक ही सन मिलेगा, कोई 2 सन नहीं है. कंट्री वाइज उसका राइज और सेट अलग हो जाता है, लेकिन सन तो एक ही होता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट बुक नंबर 1 एंड पेज नंबर 35. एवरीबडी ओपन बुक नंबर 1 एंड पेज नंबर 35. सो व्हाट इज अवर हेडिंग? फिल, FILL, फिल, IN in, THE the, BLAN case blanks, WITH with, CORRECT correct article. Okay, fill in the blanks with correct articles. I had draw some pictures and write the word also. So we fill up these blanks with correct word. Okay, so look here. First is THER, there. is, and which picture is this? Ant. So we write here ant. Okay, there is an ant. Okay, why? Because a is vowels. Understand? So we put here an. Which article? An. There is an ant on, then a leaf. There is an ant on a leaf. Okay, understand? And next is THIS, this. is, and then with picture engine, and spelling also we write engine. So look here, we put here an. This is an engine. Okay, and next third number, there is picture mug. Okay, a mug is on the table, या on a table भी कर सकते हैं, the table भी कर सकते हैं. A mug is on a table. Okay, a mug is on a table. And 4, I saw elephant in blank jungle. I saw an elephant. Okay, why? Because these one also vowels. E is our vowels. Understand? I saw an elephant in a jungle. Okay. I saw an elephant in a jungle. Is it clear? Okay. Whenever our sentence is completed, that time we put full stop. Okay. THERE there, WAS was, and then a bag, picture with spelling. Okay, a bag. There was a bag on a table. There was a bag on a table. Understand? There was a bag on a table. Then next, I have blank red frock. I have a red frock. I have a red frock. Then next one is want, blank new, top, top, to play. I want a new top to play. Understand? And next is boy. Okay, this picture. Okay, boy has, यहाँ boy ही केवल, sorry for that, this one boy, a boy. Okay, a boy has a bat and a ball. Okay, a boy has a bat and a ball. Then next one is she got gift. She got a gift. She got a gift. Then next one is a bird. A bird made a nest on a tree. Okay, a bird made a nest on a tree. Understand? Again repeat. There is an ant. Then again one more time repeat. There is an ant on a leaf. You correct. Okay. This is an engine. A mug is on the table. I saw an elephant in a jungle. There was a bag on the table. Okay, on our table, on the table, on the table. I have a red frock. I want a new top to play. A boy has a bat and a ball. She got a gift. A bird made a nest on a tree. And next page, book number 1, same book number and page number 4747. Fill in the blanks. यहाँ भी when this one also exercise related for articles a and the. Okay, so children, so look here. Sky is blue. Sky अभी मैंने before time I will explain. Sky is particular one thing. So we write here the sky. The sky is blue. Okay, the sky is blue. Understand? And next one, I have watermelon. I have a watermelon. I have a watermelon. And third one, give me, GIVE, give, ME, me, give me a pen, give me a pen from the box. Okay, Give me a pen from the box. And fourth, LOOK, look. 88. Look at a bird. A bird on a tree. Look at a bird on a tree. Fifth one, I saw a boat in a sea. Six, she saw a frog in a pond. Okay. Then 7 is THERE, there. IS is a. FIS is fish. IN in a pot. There is a fish in a pot. Then next one is a THEY, they. HAV, they have a big, BIG, big house. They have a big house. And next is a cat. A cat is on a mat. A cat is on a mat. Understand? Open the door. Door also particular one thing. So we use open the, THE, the open the door. Understand, children? These are completed. The sky is blue. I have a watermelon. Give me a pen from the box. Look at a bird on a tree. I saw a boat in a sea. She saw a frog in a pond. There is a fish in a pot. They have a big house. A cat is on a mat. Open the door. Understand? And next topic is our he and she. When we use he and she, कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं हम he she? पर्टिकुलर अगर बॉय है जेंडर तो बॉय है तो उसके लिए हम हमेशा ही यूज़ करेंगे, लेकिन अगर गर्ल है तो उसके लिए शी यूज़ करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड सर्कल द करेक्ट वर्ड. Look at the picture and circle the word, that means correct word. So look here, which picture is this? It's a picture is a boy picture. Which picture? Boy picture. So boy के लिए what we use? He boy. He is a boy. He is a uncle. Okay. He, understand? And then next is a girl. Which picture is this? It's a girl. She is girl. So we use she. Circle the she. She is a girl. Understand? And next is a mother. MOTHER, mother. So we use she. She is my mother. Okay. She is her mother. Okay. Then FATHER, father. Which picture is this? It's a father picture. Okay. And then spelling also right here. Father. So you circle the he. He is your father. He is my father. Understand? Then next, brother. Which picture is this? Brother. BROTHER, brother. So we use he. Circle the he. He is my brother. Understand? And next is a she and he. But which picture is this? It's a sister picture, girl. So SISTER, she is my sister, she is your sister, and so we use, and now we circle she, SHE, she. Then this picture is grandmother. Which picture? Grandmother. GRAND, grand, MOTHER, mother. Grandmother. So we circle the she. And then grandfather. So circle he. This activity is book number 2 and page number 11. Understand? Book number 2, page number 11. And next one is a book number 2, same book, page number 2 4 24. Look at the picture and write the correct word. आपको वहाँ पिक्चर देखना है पहले. बॉय, आंट, अंकल, आंटी, ग्रैंडफादर एंड व्हाट वी यूज़ ही एंड शी. पर्टिकुलर हमें दो ही चीज़ें वहाँ यूज़ करना है, ही एंड शी. सो लुक हियर. सो पिक्चर, विथ पिक्चर बॉय, सो वी राइट हियर ही. ओके. देन AUNT, aunt. So write here she. SHE, she. Then next is grandfather. So we write here he. Okay. And then picture with sister. So we write here she. And then which picture? Mother. So she. And then which picture is this? Girl. So we use she. And then picture is father. Which picture is this? Father. So we use he. And then friend, he. Okay children, this activity is also completed. And then downside, next activity, fill in the blanks with the correct he and she, correct word. That means he or she use करेंगे. Okay. So is a boy, he is a boy. Again you write more one time, and downside look here, fill in the blanks. He is a boy. You copy down your Hindi, you copy down in your English book number 2. She is a girl. She is a girl. This is my grandfather. This is my father. He wears, यहाँ पे blank रहेगी. This is my father. He wears specs. Okay. And then this is my aunt. She got me new frock. FROCK, frock. Okay children, understand? And children, next activity, book number 3, page number 37. Okay, everybody open book number 3, page number 37. So what is our heading? Look at the picture and circle the correct word. Okay, look at the picture and circle the correct word, and write the correct word which given the space. Okay, so look here children, it's picture mother. Okay, यहाँ भी हमें his her यूज़ करना है. अभी before time हमने he she यूज़ किया था, यहाँ पे his her यूज़ करना है. तो his हम किसके लिए यूज़ करेंगे? बॉय के लिए होंगे. जो भी जेंडर बॉय होगा, दैट मीन्स उसके लिए हम his यूज़ करेंगे. और मदर, गर्ल या ग्रैंड मदर, इन सब के लिए हम her यूज़ करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? सो लुक हियर, सो मदर, विच पिक्चर इज दिस? मदर. सो वी सर्कल द HER, her. Everybody you can do in your book, circle HER, her. Then write downside HER, her. Okay, understand? And next picture is a girl. So girl के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? her. Okay, so यहाँ भी हम क्या her के ऊपर सर्कल करेंगे यहाँ पे, और यहाँ डाउन में राइट करेंगे HER, her. Then next one is a uncle. Which picture is this? Uncle. So uncle के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? his. HIS, his. And then write downside HIS, his. Next boy. Okay, यहाँ हम his के ऊपर सर्कल करेंगे और डाउन साइड में राइट करेंगे HIS, his. Understood? So look here. Next picture is a aunt. Your auntie. Okay, so we circle her and write downside her. Then grandmother, circle her, and then write downside her. Okay. Again downside grandfather picture, circle the his and write downside his. Then circle his, write downside his. And friend, circle her and then write downside her. Okay. Understood?